As you can see on top of our building here, we have a series of solar panels. These panels number approximately like 33 of them, and they generate electricity for the facility by using the sun. So these things generate power every day of the year. And anything we get in excess of what we need can actually be sold back to the utility.
Basically now as a company, I think has a very big commitment to the environment. Because again, you're right, all of our products are coming from the environment for the most part. We specialize in organic and non-GMO products. And to sustain that, we must play our role in making sure our footprint is as small as it can be. We have carpooling lanes outside for our employees. We also have charging stations for electric cars. We have solar cells on top of the roof. Our facility over in Sparks is actually a LEED certified building. We have a pretty extensive recycling program right now. We recycle most of the materials we bring in terms of things that are coming from our employees and also from the products we're making. So we range from anything from being cardboard boxes, we bring our raw materials into, some of the plastic bottles we use, plastic film we use, the batteries get recycled, a lot of electronics get recycled as well, and some things from our cafeteria like glass bottles, paper from our offices, all those things go through recycling. And basically what that does reduces the amount of products that goes to the landfill. We were just estimating probably we would take maybe 1 truckload a week they go out recycling, reduces our pools by like 3 pools a week going to a landfill, which I think is very significant. Employees do have a sense of taking care of the environment, and basically they represent a whole community for all of us. And also every year participate in DuPage County. There's a park next door to us that many of our employees use during frankly all year round to walk through for exercise. We clean up once a year. One Saturday afternoon on their own time, going out there and picking up around the lake and around the park. In terms of treating people well, you must keep the environment where people are living well, and it's all encompassing. So in caring for the individuals and in caring for what surrounds the individuals, you're caring for the community as a whole, which is pretty significant.